Hey my people, so today I will be recreating this look from Jada Essence Hall, her entrance look to the workroom of RuPaul's Drag Race Season 12. She is the winner of this season. It's more of an inspiration because I'm not doing a full drag look and I altered it a little bit to my products and my liking. But if you want to know how I got this look, stay tuned. As well as that, subscribe if you like this look. We are on a journey to hit 500 subscribers by mid-August. Please help me reach that goal, but let's get into this look. So we're going to jump straight in with this Protege palette from Suva Beauty. Everything will be linked down below, but I want to say congratulations to our third or fifth black queen who's run RuPaul's Drag Race, and third or fifth because I don't know what race Raja or Yvie Oddly is, so yeah. But I'm gonna jump into the shade with Aesthetic right here. It's a nice burgundy shade. I'm gonna start stamping that pretty low in the crease, so then we have room so we can blend it up. I'm gonna take it inner to outer corner. And I wanted to do this look a while ago, but I pre-film a lot of videos, so sometimes I have a video and it'll be up on YouTube for a good like month and a half till I'm ready to make it public because I have other ideas I'm going to bring out. But since she just won, I just decided to film this video. So, to commemorate her, like, congratulations. I know she would put in a lot of work. And that reunion, that final, she was bringing it. She was bringing Sierra all the way. I think the other song was by Destiny's Child. She was bringing it all the way. She was feeling it. But I'm going to stamp this lower in the crease like this. Alright, so now I'm going to take a fluffy, clean brush. I'm going to start blending out these edges so they look more diffused. So this is an inspiration, more inspiration of her look. I'm doing her entrance look from the season 12 first episode. I think she was on the second episode. But yeah, I'm doing that entrance look, and it is an inspiration because I'm not doing it as a drag look. As well as that, I still have my facial hair and I do not have the exact tones she used, but I'm going to try to recreate it to the best of my ability. So we're just going to blend this harsh line out. So you can see this very diffused look compared to this is a lot different. So should I use a more like cranberry tone and burgundy tone? This is a little bit purplish, but I am going to take this same brush that we went in with originally. We're going to tap back into that color. So we got the nice blend going, but now I'm going to start tapping this in the crease lower because I want this to be a little bit darker. So I do want to build this shade up down here so it does have that nice gradient effect. You do not want to go in too heavy-handed at first because then you're going to have a lot more product there to blend out, and it might not end up as easily done to blend. So all I did off camera was cut my lid from inner to outer with an angled brush and some light shaded concealer. Now I'm going to take this Laura Lee Party Animal palette, and I'm going to take the shade Damage Control. Wow, I cannot read today. But Damage Control is really light blue on a flat brush, and that's going to go all over that lid. So we're just going to start packing this on. Look how vibrant that blue is. These shadows, I used to hate this palette. Like when I first reviewed it, it was like I gave it such a bad review. But I learned how to work with it. You really got to learn how to work with these. Because they're not regular eyeshadows, they're pressed pigments. And so they apply a little differently, they work a little differently, they blend a little differently. I know some of these colors, like I think the orange oxidizes once it's applied. So you gotta learn how to work with these. But once I got it, like, yeah, I love these. This is a great palette. I have to take it all the way to the corner because you will be putting another shade out there. As you can see, like I said, they do oxidize a little bit, so that blue compared to what's on my lid, a little bit, not a huge, no, it's a huge difference, let me not lie, but you still get a lot of color payoff. So now you're going with any old black. I'm using the one from my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette because I really don't use this palette, and I have too many eyeshadows to not be using them because I'm never going to hit pan on the palette, so I am using this one because I never use it. So I'm going to take the black in it. You can use any old black like I said. And I'm going to just start building this on the outer corner. So I'm going to just start bringing this right here. I'm using more like a tulip shaped brush. But I'm going to start piling it right here as if I was doing a liner, but I'm not. I'm going to start winging it out just slightly. I don't want a wing. I just want it to start going in that direction. So I'm gonna just pile this up slowly. Like she said when she was recreating this look, makeup is like watching yourself cross the street. You want to look both ways to make sure you're looking beat on both sides. You don't get hit by a car. That you look good on both sides. It's all even. So I'm still just piling this up. Both ways. Okay. You want to wipe this brush off a little bit. Like you can use a paper towel. You can use the edge of the, the palette like I'm doing. But now I'm going to go in with this brush because I don't want all that pigment on there. I'm going to start blending this up into the crease and then into that blue, the slightest bit. I'm probably going to take it about here, but I want to just start blending that in. So you're not necessarily going for black, but you're going for depth. So as you can tell, this is just wide open. This one gives you a little bit more like sunken look. So that, yeah, I know I have a lot of fallout. I just like to save that to wipe away altogether at the end. But so what a step she did not do that I'm going to do to lighten this blue up a little bit, bring some more life. I'm gonna go in with NYX's glitter primer and I'm gonna put some glitter on top of this. So I'm gonna just start brushing that on the lid. Make sure you stay within that cut crease. And you don't want to press this too hard because I had to learn how to work with this product too. I used to hate this product, but I noticed if you're really light, it won't distort your eyeshadow underneath. But if you go like heavy-handed, like you're like scraping across your eye, like it's gonna displace the color underneath. But like with glitter on top, it doesn't make a huge difference in the overall appearance. But I noticed that I just did not like that. So now that we got that on the lid, I'm gonna just wipe off the brush a little bit, I use my hand like that. But I have this light blue glitter, and I got this from Wish. So whatever light blue glitter you got, use it. But I got this one from Wish. So now I'm gonna just pick it up on the brush like that. And be real careful because you do not want to get glitter in your eye. But I'm gonna slowly just press it into that that glitter glue. You see how that gives such a nice glow and it brightens up this blue just a little bit. So I just want to go real slow, section by section, and start pressing this into that blue. And I don't care about getting it too close, right up against the crease real sharp. I just want to get it up on that lid. This eye, compared to that eye, it just brightens it up so much and gives it such a pretty look. So after I do my other eye, I'm going to just go across my lash line with some black liner. I'm not going to wing it. I'm just take it to the end and leave it be and do my base, and I'll be right back to get on with this look. Alright, so I'm going to finish off the eyes before finishing off the face, but I'm going to go back into the Suva palette. I'm going to take the same shade, Aesthetic. Yes, Aesthetic. I'm going to take that on this tulip brush. I cleaned it off a little bit, but I'm going to start swiping that on the lower lash line. And usually I keep this close to the lash line, but I'm going to take a little low. That's why I use this bigger brush. But I also use this brush because I want it to be a little bit more blended since the shade is so much darker than what she originally used. I'll take that shade the slightest bit up against this black. I put a white pencil liner in my waterline. I extended the bottom. In her video, she extended the black top liner on top and the white, but I just extended the white since I'm not doing the drag look. I'm going to put on this big fluffy lash on my eye, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I put lashes on, and I put mascara top and bottom. Next, I'm going to just apply some individual lashes to my lower lash line. That's what she did. Hers were a little bit, well, dang. Well, hers were a little bit wider and shorter, but I'm going to do these long individual ones. So she only had two, one inner and one outer, but I thought I looked a mess, so I put on 3. And I think it looks kind of cute. What do you think? Well, I'm going to do the other eye off camera, and we'll be back to start finishing off this face. Alright, so I got those on. It looks really cute. So I'm going to highlight the brow bone. Where does it go? Highlight the brow bone real quick with Nefertiti from Juvia's Place. I can never remember. I always either forget the name of this highlighter or I forget the name of the company. Like, I'm a mess. But I'm going to just put that very lightly on the brow bone. And since I glued, my brows already have some type of highlight. As you can see, it glows a little bit. But that's just like because my brows are glued down. But I'm going to put this very lightly on the brow bone. And then I'm going to put it on the cheeks as well. I'm just taking it straight from the cap because you don't want a lot of product and it's a loose highlighter. But I'm going to put it right here. So I get that nice impact touch. And then I'm going to start blending out the edges. I mean, she wore an oranges color blush. I don't have one of those here. Also do the Cupid's bow. Do not forget the Cupid's bow. But I'm going to put it right here and just blend out the edge. I decided against wearing blush because I just like the way it looks overall already. And I put I Am Loved as a lip liner all over my lips. And then, yeah, she had a nice maroon lip liner. But in the middle, she put a more peachy color, which I do not own. But instead, I'm going to put this color from Revlon. This color HD Sand 700. So I'm going to put that all over the center. Just to lighten it up a little bit. Also, because she put a gloss on top. And this does have some shine. I don't have like a plain gloss, so I'm going to just put this up on this lip. And that is this Jaida Essence haul. Winner of RuPaul's Drag Race Season 12 makeup inspiration tutorial. So if you like videos like this, you can wait to the next screen and see more of my looks. As well as that, don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends. I'm going to hit 500 subscribers by August. That is my goal by mid-August. So please help me reach that goal. And I hope you like this look. Subscribe, follow my social media. I will see you in the next one. Bye.